everyone. Oh, I just woke up and today is July 19 and it's Friday. And the weather outside is not gonna rain. There's the sun. Usually it's gonna rain like afternoon and can be. So Kobe is sleeping with me in my bed because my brother is here. He wanted to sleep on his own on his room, but then yes, my brother is here. He was sleeping there. Monday, July 22 will be your yes, it's finally back to school. My God, I can't believe this and I can't accept this. Kuya Ken, I am not ready. What about you? No, ready na daw siya. He's ready, you're ready, but Mama is not ready. I don't want to wake up early in the morning. Oh my God, that's so tiring. Yesterday we are so busy with the cleaning, general cleaning, and then today, Friday, we will be preparing. Excuse me, my hair is so messy. So today, Friday, we will going to get ready all the things of Kintoy for the school. So I am making my list already because we will go there downtown to buy all the things. So there's only few that we need to buy because in the school of Kinkobe they don't use so much notebook because we paid for the books. We only need some tumbler for the school, pencils, lead pencil, and paper. I need to check his uniform if it still fit on him, but hopefully it's still fit on him because my God, we don't have time already to go in the tailor. We need also to go for groceries. We don't have anything right here since we just got here from the village. So that's what we are going to do today. So okay, we're gonna prepare now.
Guba ni siya, imo ra mang i-hide.
Kani sa imong karon pencil naka extra nga monggol og lead. So kanirang 0.5 atong ibay kay wala man sila 0.7. Mag-write ka ayo lang kayo i-push. Kani para sulban na. Tara, magpila ta. Hindi lang ta magbay og kuan mo ya folder kay big man to yung box.
Saan siya mo?
Tara, kato mo.
Ay, datro pika.
Bay tag tumbler ya. Ya. Bay tag.
Ate siya kaya kating dala.
Tara na. Ato ka sa DIY. Tara na Maya. Saan yun? Namin sabaw? Bring saya. Raya, magbay tag bread. Yeah. Magbay tag bread. Isa nga bread na. Sa kani mo? Sa kaset.
Sa kaset. Ato bata sa bench.
Kanang dako kay para daghan imong water nga mainom. Tumbler man tong anti diri.
Rubber.
Buak mo niya. Uy, heavy. Ay, ano na lang atong ibaya.
Easily break man na siya.
Plastic.
Plastic.
Ano niya? Kaling jug kayo maghimo. Tawag ko lemonade. Kani sige, bring. Tara. Tumbler po. Kari. Ako din. Ayaw na niyo kay ano mo ito ang tumbler last year. Kani na itong red o black. Tara.
Naganahan ko sa iyang sticker.
Tara. Kana. May daw ya. Sa dayan. Ayun. Na, dako dali ra ba. Nay ka nang murag allowance te. Kay dali ra mo dako.
Brown o kanang black? Kanang brown wala. Sa pikas na dong. Sa pikas na kanang tagiya. Ani.
Di man guot ma.
Nga mag-adjust pa man ka.
Kani na lang uy.
Walay ka nang kuha na natin.
Ha?
Oh, naman day ko na. Okay ra ken?
Gamay.
Maikwan mo.
Okay ra ken? Tarungan ba?
Okay
Tarungan.
ra lagi.
Oh, isukod lang ta duha karon.
Sige ka nando. Naka daw. Dakaw siya.
Ha? Na.
Mag-adjust ka. Okay ra? Diligot.
Oh. Ma kuan man oh. Mamigisan na.
Kanina lang. Ayan na.
Na isukod lang. Wala ray da ko ani dai. Wala gamay.
Wala. Kita. Pagdabi.
Gaan ra ka ini siya.
Kira ka mag-pay na ka doon. Oh. Ari ra ka. Hold sa iyo. 1,000 500.
Ayun sa na po vinegar.
Ay, what tayo vinegar. Tara.
Ah, balikan ab. Asa ako eh. Kuya.
Yeah, virgin coconut oil. Here, oh. Akong palit ko.
Asa vinegar?
Ang mahal magpaka-healthy.
Mahal vinegar ma?
Arad. It's So, gagawa kami ng cucumber lemonade. I soak this with baking soda in the water. So, isa-slice muna natin itong pipino. Isa-slice natin yung lemon. Pampalakas ng resistensya. Paano na-dry? Sige na, wait. Look at this. Oh, so good. I just put some honey and then I don't put some sugar because I just wanted this to be natural. So, di na ta mag-sugar kay kuan gud ta. Dapat healthy. And then, iput na to siya sa ref para cold. Health conscious na tayo. So, no more soft drinks.
Di ko ganun anak.
Ay, bayami mo. Ay. Itlog na maalat. Tawkin. Ito. Ito ka na aning colorful.
Patay na chicken na rainbow full siya na siya mga chickens. May mga piso na rainbow.
Sobrang parat. Taste gani niya. Ano ba? Taste ba?
Dili ko oy. Patay na isa.
Itlog na maalat.
Magical one rainbow.
Parat ya. I need some water. I bought earlier in the market 3 pieces, 20 pesos each.
Dako na si bibili na sila agtan at kung nila to matulog.
Mas maganda po yung mas masarap po hindi ko sinabi pero ginawa niya. Mas appreciate ko na marinig na ako ginagawa niya.
Ano siya kung lapat na lapat? Yung do's and don'ts, grays and reds. This is green flag, this is red flag, this is the do's, this is the don'ts. This is the... Parang lapat na lapat, parang masyadong ideal yung gusto mong ma-achieve ng maraming...
Yan lang.
I-retik ko ng routine sa
Kakadakpan kami. I need to transfer this one. Have here my own version of mango canny salad. Pero nakalimot ko og corn niya. Mix na nato. Put some mayonnaise, lemon. I put some mayonnaise, lemon, and honey, and a little pepper. Let's try my salad. Ano kung paano itong spaghetti ah? Ikaw, pilit ka mukha ko namin.
Ha?
May mango canny salad. Nakaforgot ko og bayog pa niya. Corn. So I have here the lettuce, the carrots, cucumber, mango, imitation crab, the crab stick. Let's try. Try na to. Kung sa'y lami. And then I put some also little bit of this yes. Laming salad, of course. Namay ya. Paano na? So salt. Let's eat dragon fruit. And I only bought one because it's too expensive for one piece. I paid like 95 pesos. Sige na, yeah, papawas ko. Yeah, please. Store diha. so yummy. Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. Today is July 21 and yes, it's Sunday, so I am now ready. We're heading to the church for the second mass around 6 a.m. So I'm trying to wake up this little boy here. Kobe, come on na. I'm so ready. Kobe, asa na ba?
Anak ko, yung...
Kung may botol sa nimo. Nasa po. Brush ko na. Wala mo. Pira na siya. Let's go. So today is July 22 and it's Monday, the first day of school, the back to school. So Ken Kobe is very much excited going back to school and he is already in the 4th grade. And then this is the next day, July 23, and it's Tuesday. And then Ken Kobe told me that he got a new schoolmate. And then excited pa rin yarn. Good morning! It's Thursday, so Ken Kobe will bring some lunch in the school. We'll be having a lunch today in the school. And Kentoy have some snacks, yogurt, and biscuits. And then this is for lunch. Spaghetti, fruits, and rice. And there's some pancit canton. My God, ito naman, ito ka magkita na. Di ba na healthy? Egg and beef loaf. Mag-drink a lot of water ha after eating. Magpag-bring lang og tissue. Gamay na tissue. Sige na, tikabat na. Malit ka. And then, we're going to put it here, yeah. Para dili na ma-dirty imong backpack. Spaghetti na. Yeah. No? Lock properly, ha? Dapat na isound. Means close na siya properly. Here also. After mag-eat, ha? Ang put back na isa po, ha? Up here. Look, oh. Straight ka rin. Yan na. And here, my God. Okay. And then your spoon and fork ni mo. I'll try to put it here. Adi. Pan kaya, oh. Wait, kayo. Adi, bring man yung dadibig na bag. For food man siya. Water, adura to. So, mag-snack pa man ka. Here, oh. Yeah. After mag-lunch, ha? Put it back here, ha? Gusto mo ka mag-bring og lunch, di? This is your dream na. Iakan ko i-get for lunch. You'll be responsible, okay? You can carry like this off here.
Ito naman sa kuwaan.
Asa?
Ito sa baggage area sa office.
May baggage area? Sige, put sa baggage area. Then, if lunch time na, i-get na ni mommy. Then, matukas canteen. Ha? You can hold like this, yeah, oh. Drink a lot of water, ha? Lunch time! O, di ba? Eat ng mga fruits, ha? Hindi na si Kuya Ken. See you later after tutor. So Ken Kobe has a tutor again for this year. So so after class 4 p.m. Kentoy has a tutor good for 1 hour. So usually Ken Kobe come home nighttime already, like 6 or 6:30. Oh, Sharog di mo Albert Einstein niya. Ako, ihatod dyan ako. Kay madirty ka. Sige, i-put din na sa baggage area imong kuan, ha? Then, i-get lang ka na ako after tutor, ha? Okay, see you later, ya. Uy! Cover imong nose ug mouth ug mag-sneeze. Good luck. You can do it. I love you. So daw? Sa imong ingon?
I love you, Mama.
Responsible sa school, ha? Tayo ng banana. This is the banana that I brought from the countryside. Overripe na siya. So, always mata nagkaon sa dinong auto-fried na pag natin na siya. Just came from the market. We have here some mango. Ouch! Yeah, apple mango. I will make sinigang na hipon. You like, yeah? For 1 hour dinner. And then I bought some hanger, 2 sets of hanger from DIY because we don't have enough hanger. And then clothes line, pick this color because I am so fan of this color right now, something like brown. The clothes line. Boiling some potato. And then, tadan! Daghan kay sabol akong sinigang na hipon. Guys, yan na yung sinigang na hipon ko, 'di ba? Dati ayoko ng lasa ng sinigang, pero ngayon medyo nasasarapan na ako. Kaya ito, daming gulay. Let's eat sinigang. O, diba, isa ka kuan? Yan. Daghan is tanan. I'm so surprised. Kintoy likes the sinigang. Yee! Good job, kuya. Sige, more kuan pa, more sabaw.
Need more.
What? Say it again.
Need more rice, please.
Sige, more kuan, more sabaw, yeah. Very good. Thought, kuya Ken, you're not gonna like it. Because I know you. You're so picky in Sudan. Oh, diba? Sige pa, bahog sabaw. Ayun no, di ka mukhaon og shrimp. Sige, sabaw. I'm done eating na ya. I'm full. Kanon na nato ang atong apple mango for today's video. Medyo aslong-aslong siya. I'm gonna ask Ken Kobe if how is his first 4 days of his school. How was it in Kobe?
Good.
Are you having fun? And then I think next week will be the start of working on their paces, their books. So, magdadaro na naman si Kuya Kint. No more chill time na. You rest na. Sila kag-watch yung TV. Saan yung mga eyes? I'm gonna turn up the light. Okay? OMG, there's a lot of mosquitoes. So, we just barely opened the doors and windows, but still, there's some mosquitoes inside. I don't know where they came from. Look at my pimples. OMG. And then I saw something here from the neighbor. I saw some mango tree with a lot of mangoes. Here it is. So as you can see, there's some mangoes. Oh, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna close the window. There's a lot of mosquitoes. We don't have class tomorrow, Friday, because tomorrow 2 p.m. we will have our first orientation for the school year with the parents and teachers. We're cooking some tinola for lunch. This right now I am getting ready for the parents teachers orientation in the school now. 2 p.m. and I'm gonna leave in Kobe here. We're going to sleep and rest. Putting my eyelash extension, and it's very hassle. You need some concentration. Oh my god, this is not really good when you're in a hurry. Oh my god, so much work. Look at my eyes here, babe.
Ha?
Look at that. Okay na?
Oh. Nara ako sa ilo. Okay.
Sure?
Oo. Pati mo uban po dali din. Ani?
I bought this long time ago, and as you can see, halos ubos na siya. Look at my phone. Oh, diba? I don't want to go in the salon or wherever para magpapa-eyelash extension kasi I don't know kung magkano na yung eyelash extension ngayon, maybe 400 plus. And then 1 time lang, 1 month lang yung duration niya at natatanggal na siya. Ito, nabili ko siya sa TikTok. Like, I bought this on TikTok at 300 plus. So, this is better because you can use it again. Sobrang hassle na ng hair ko. Gusto ko nang gusto ko nang magpa-upaw. So, hassle. When you have a thick hair and then kulot pa siya. So, I bought this yesterday in Watson and then the Hair and Shine. Ito na lang muna. then si Ken Kobe. Dito lang siya mag-chill. Ayaw ko ni pag-i-waste siya.
Ako ra magi 1 by 1 kay kuan kayo.
Iya, alcohol prep man. Ipadala ni Daddy din. Personal yun. Ano, 1 by 1 lang. Ganyan, yan ako i-waste eh. Para na siya sa ngayon. Today is Sunday and it's Lord's Day, so we are preparing. We are now going for second mass. Happy that Ken Kobe is awake so early. I tried to open his room with the key, but he shocked me. He woke up already. So Ken, you try this. Oh, you're so handsome.
What's going on out there?
It's Sunday. We will go to church. We're ready. Let's go, Kuya Ken. Bring ang water ya. Naglusan na yung mga sa ato ya. Sa sink ya. Kuya Ken. O, gwapo kasi Kuya Ken. Done na may of church. Second mass is done. Ato sa si Kuya Ken. O, sige. Kanilang. Chocolate lagi puro mo ko. Kanilang. Kuan pa man ko na kuan niya.
Ha?
Nana man din siya nga kuan na itong kids pa po. Nana niya sila da.
Kung kids pa ka nagkalanta na ka ne?
Oo, sa umra man yun siya mga salida. Si Jack o si Rose.
Luya po kayo, kahila kayo Titanic.
Hold on to a thing. He won't, trust me. At least they were cheap. Put it in the wardrobe.
Someplace out west, and she was what Mother called New Money. By the next afternoon, we were steaming west from the coast of Ireland, with nothing out ahead of us but ocean.
Take it to see Mr. Murdoch. Let's stretch your legs. Yes, sir. All right, pull, Mr. Moody. Very good, sir. Pull it, pull.
Okay, open. Kunan siya, mosquito net pre-installation.
Naman siya pag baby.
Sige. Baby. Dako muna siya. mosquito net, and then also a tent. O, diba? Doble na siya. Wow, I like the color. It's brown.
Saan din? Ay!
Automatic, kunday na iya.
Washington.
Sige.
Thing up.
Automatic, kunday siya. Sige ya. Sige.
Ganay, oh.
Careful. Sige, sige.
Huh.
Ay, flat yan. Come here. Close na. Sige, flat na.
Sige, katawan ko.
Ala! Pag-slow-down, dinipis ka. Ay, dali ka na mag-isip. Dali. Hindi ka na siya mag-iari. Ay, mosquito. Pila yung mga konit. Yung... Noon. Pila na yung baby. Ano? Diyan po. Ito isa.
Baka na ipa.
Bang! O, diba? Mosquito net, and then at the same time 10. So always man ka kuan ko yan nag-bother og magbay og tent o nanang 2 in 1.
Ako pa yung butter, kina-scared ko mosquito na mobile na ako.
So tada! I bought that from TikTok. It's automatic already. So are you happy, Ken Kobe?
Oh, na-happy ko kaya ako. Na.
Hindi na ka mabay to mosquito. Ready to sleep. Good night. My denture is gone. It's in the glass. Yeah, here, yeah.
Huh?
Here also, down. Hey. Slow. Faster. Close it.
Come on.
Going to sleep na. I'm going to sleep with Ken Kobe for tonight because I'm gonna try.
Matry ka, ano kayo?
I'm gonna try how cozy it is to sleep here. And this is so big. This is 1.8 m. Pinto is very happy because this is 2 in 1. A mosquito net and a tent. Diba? So I'm gonna sleep tonight with Ken Kobe. Na yeah, let's sleep because tomorrow is school time. Good night, everyone. God bless.
God bless.